So hi everyone, welcome to our daily job saving series. Today we have around 5 to 6 jobs, but I guess every job is going to help you because it's for fresher. Mostly I have covered the freshers job today, right? So let's start with the first job, and I hope you have subscribed this channel so that you'll be seeing update on daily basis. So this is the first job that we have, which actually required freshers to 8 years of experience. It's in Noida-based company. It's in cybercc.com, right? Cybersecurity company name. This is what you need to add in into the sub mail, right? And this is the mail on which you can drop your resume, and it's a Noida work from office job only. Responsibility is you need to do vulnerability assessment of networking and devices. And there's a lot of things mentioned. Just pause this video and check out all those things here. And they are looking for, as I told you, 1 to 8 years of experience person. So just check it out. And they want a cybersecurity analyst who can do VAPT, right? So check out all those things and you can apply if you want, right? Now the next opening is basically for VAPT professional for ARM Innovation Private Limited. This is a mail ID which is a Gmail. So I always tell you to cross check if it's a Gmail, right? This is a for freshers experience as well. Noida based job, right? On site. Next is our town technology is hiring for cybersecurity analyst, which is remote position. This is the mail on which you can drop your resume and you probably get hired. Next one is basically for the VAPT application security consultant. 0 to 2 years of experience required. So again, it's for fresher. Noida based job. This is a full-time job, and they want who can do a VAPT and application security consultant work as well, right? So WPT, what are things they can do? They can do web application API, basic networking, pen testing, OWASP top 10, and all those things. Whatever you are seeing here, right? Who can apply? Those who should have freshers or minimum 2 years of experience, but freshers can also do. And if you have any of the certificate, then this will be plus point for you, right? Meanwhile, if you're looking for a training or internship program on VAPT, web application pen testing, check out this URL top right. Now, next one is VAPT intern. Someone is hiring for 3 months, so just check out. And if you want to apply, there's a mail ID ceo@specular.com, right? Now, next opening is someone is hiring for the SIEM engineer. This is the everything which is required to see, right? And again, this is for fresher if you have 1 year's experience. Right? That's what we have for today. This is the mail ID on which, no, this is the URL if you want to join the training of internship program VIH. So thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.